Hey foodies, welcome back to another episode of Jera's Kitchen. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to share with you how I make my authentic Jamaican curried goat. So if you like this video, you know what to do already. Give it a big thumbs up, turn on that post notification so you won't miss out on any one of my videos. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? So let's start cooking. I'm using about 3 pounds of goat meat that I've cleaned nicely, and they're all in small pieces. And I'm also using, for herbs and spices, here I have some curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, salt and black pepper. I'm also using some scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento seeds, yellow bell pepper, and of course my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and rough chop everything and add it to my goat meat, so stick around guys. Now guys, I'm going in with all my powdered seasoning, including my curry powder. As you know, curry is the star of the show, and I'm gonna leave the exact measurement in the description box, okay? Now we're gonna start massaging this. Make sure we get the curry all through this meat because we want it to be full of flavor. Alright, and then we're gonna cover it for about 2 hours just to allow it to marinate. Now I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and we're going to allow it to heat up, and then I'll be adding some garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper just to give the oil some nice flavor to it. All right, now I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and I'm actually burning the curry just to allow the curry to cook a little bit and to add some extra flavor to my goat meat. All right. Guys, now that I've put all the meat in the pot, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water to it and just cover it, because goat meat normally takes a longer time to cook. So I'll check on it and I'll keep adding water until the meat is very tender. So don't go anywhere, and please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, please remember to subscribe, okay? It has been cooking for about 40 minutes now, and I'm just checking on it and adding a little bit more water to it. All right. Guys, it's been about 2 hours and it's cooked to about 95%, and I'm just going in with the rest of my herbs, my spices, and some potatoes and carrots too, and I'm just gonna let this simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes and my curried goat will be ready. Guys, my curried goat just has smell up the whole house. The gravy is so nice and thick. I wish you were here just to taste it. My curried goat is now ready, and I'm gonna have mine with some plain old white rice. But if you choose to have it with rice and peas or yams or potatoes, it's up to you. But leave it in the comment section what you like your curried goat with. I like mine with just some plain white rice. It is so tender and juicy and full of flavor. So thanks for watching, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Be safe, take care, and bye bye.